Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll go over the first calculation, the present value. What is present value, or PV? It is the current worth of a future sum of money or stream of cash flows, given a specified rate of return. PV is also referred to as a discounted value. The basis is that receiving $1,000 now is worth more than $1,000 5 years from now, because if you got the money now, you could invest it and receive an additional return over the 5 years. There are two reasons why a dollar tomorrow is worth less than a dollar today. When there is monetary inflation, the value of currency decreases over time. The greater the inflation, the greater the difference in value between a dollar today and a dollar tomorrow. If there is any uncertainty or risk associated with the cash flow in the future, the less that cash flow will be valued. Let's say you have a project to sell a finished product in 5 years. The organization will receive $10 million at the end of the 5th year. How do we calculate the present value of the amount, assuming the interest rate is 8% per year, compounded annually? We'll use this handy formula, where the future value is the amount of money you expect to receive at the end of the period. So, applying the formula, we get that PV is $6.8 million. So, $6.8 million today is worth $10 million 5 years from now. In other words, this answer tells us that receiving $10 million in 5 years is the same as receiving $6.8 million today, if the time value of money is 8% per year compounded annually. Let's crack another one, which is the present value of $300,000 received 3 years from now if the interest rate is 10%. Will it be more or less than $300,000? Apply the formula, get that PV is $225,000. This time, $300,000 in 3 years worth $225,000 today. Which of the following options is best? Option 1 requires $1 million initial investment and pays $2 million in 3 years. Or option 2 requires $1.2 million in initial investment and pays $3 million in 5 years. So, in this case, the option 2 offers the biggest present value. However, the rate of return of the option 1 is better. This means higher revenues at the end of the period. So, to sum up, the present value is the current worth of a future sum of money or stream of cash flow, given a specific rate of return. A dollar tomorrow is worth less than a dollar today. In the next lecture, we'll go over the net present value and the difference with the present value that we just saw. See you there. Thanks for watching.